Hi everyone, I'm Marijke. I'm a neuro and mindset conditioning coach, and I'm here to teach you biohacks to hack your body, your brain, to optimize your performance and to change your life. And today I'm going to teach you how to quickly energize your body, especially on those days when you are very tired. As you might see, I am a bit tired today. I had to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm exhausted. So I use this opportunity to film what I'm going to do and what actually works to just reset the body, reset the mind, and feel more energized. So the first thing we want to do is you want the brain hemispheres to start communicating again, because the moment that you're tired, exhausted, it's like your brain feels a bit foggy, you're not thinking clearly. So the first thing I want to teach you, and this comes from Brain Gym, it's called cross crawls. Now what it basically is if you can see me, it is alternating your knees and then just touching, the opposite, using your opposite hand and tapping your knee. You might remember doing this in primary school or kindergarten. It is absolutely great for the brain's development. So what's happening is the left and the right hemisphere of the brain is starting to communicate with one another, because the left hemisphere of your brain is responsible for the right side of your body, and the right side of your brain hemisphere, you can see I'm tired, is responsible for the left side of the body. So when you do these cross crawls, you are actually letting the brain hemispheres communicate to one another, which is great. All right. What's the next thing that we can do? The next step or the next biohack is called brain buttons. So it's just below your collarbone on the soft spot. There's 2 soft spots right there. And then you just massage those buttons. So what's happening is when you're doing this, it's stimulating blood flow to the brain, which means the brain is getting more oxygen. And while you're doing this, I want you to take a few deep breaths. Out through the mouth. And another one. And out. And another one in. And out. Okay, great. The last one I want to teach you, show you, is called a fire breath. So this is very fast breaths that you take in and out through your nose, but I'm going to combine that with shaking the body, because when you shake your body, you are releasing tension and stress from your body, from your nervous system. So there's a lot of research behind these techniques, but it's easy to follow. And from the previous technique, you might start feeling, something happening a bit, but let's do the next step. So if you look at my body, you just open your feet hip wide and bend your knees slightly, because I want you to shake your body, like completely shake it. And while you're shaking your body, you're going to take very fast in and out breaths. So we're going to do this for a few seconds. So stick with me. You might want to do this rather in a bathroom or somewhere where someone doesn't see you. They might think, what's going on with you? All right, so do this with me. It's called a fire breath. Take a nice deep breath in and out. When doing this, you might feel your hands tingling a bit, and you might even feel a bit of a tingling sensation in the brain as well, because you've just now very rapidly increased the blood flow to the brain, which means more oxygen. So just taking nice deep breaths. And the last thing I want you to do is drink a glass of water. Okay? So I want you to tell me what you feel after a few minutes of doing these steps with me. Please comment in the comment section if it worked for you, if you have another tip that you would like to share with everybody watching. Right, so I'll see you in the next how-to video. Bye.